Welcome back to Overheat. The goal of the 2026 Lexus RV is to combine the freedom and versatility of RV travel with Lexus' well-known style. The ultimate goal was to provide an unmatched travel experience with a focus on comfort, sustainability, and state-of-the-art technology. External appearance: the modern, aerodynamic external appearance reflects the elegant Lexus design aesthetic. The forceful, contemporary appearance is attributed to the unique L-shaped LED headlamps. Large panoramic windows let in as much natural light as possible in the cabin. Off-road performance is enhanced by carbon fiber parts and flared fenders. Interior design: a spacious and lavish interior featuring wood accents and high-end leather, among other materials. A living space equipped with a smart TV, a chair, and an advanced entertainment system. A fully equipped kitchen that includes an induction cooktop, refrigerator, dishwasher, and coffee maker. A comfortable master bedroom with a comfy mattress, ambient lighting, and climate control. A bathroom with a rain shower, a stone sink, and upscale ceramic finishes. Incorporating smart home technology that allows multimedia, temperature, and lighting to be controlled by voice or touch screen. Technologies and technology. The Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 has cutting-edge technologies like driver assistance and 360-degree video. Complex infotainment system with many different connections. Off-grid features, such as a battery storage system and rooftop solar panels. Performance and engines: Lexus' commitment to sustainability is demonstrated by its choice of hybrid or all-electric drivetrains. Select all-wheel drive AWD for optimal performance under a variety of driving circumstances. Adjustable air suspension for a smoother ride. In conclusion, the 2026 Lexus Motorhome sets the standard for luxury travel by fusing comfort, elegance, and state-of-the-art technology. The target market for this vehicle is adventurers looking for an unforgettable journey without sacrificing comfort.